So that is Lian, my baby, a small baby playing his Roblox.
Block?
Yes, and you know he has time limit playing with his Roblox. Dapat 10 minutes lang daw, sabi ng lola niya, si Mamu. So, he said naman na okay lang daw, but sige lang, extend lang natin kasi nandito siya sa akin ngayon. Kawawa naman. I think na good boy naman to siya today. Were you a good boy today with Mamu? Oh, wait. We wipe your face. You have a kugmo. Oh no. Kugmo on your face. Don't wipe it there. Oh. Okay. This is my phone. Oh, this is my phone.
What is your phone?
Yes, just play there. What kind of games do you like?
Four.
Like Roblox, Spider-Man. Which is better?
Spider-Man, yeah.
Spider-Man? Okay, you know how to play Spider-Man. You exit there.
This one.
Oh, that one no. You go exit.
This one.
You know? Spider-Man is downloaded there. Oh, where's Spider-Man? There, Spider-Man.
What's this?
That's Roblox.
Let me.
How old is Lian? How old is Lian already? How old is Lian? Lian is... Ay, Papa is talking to you. Lian is... How old is Lian?
Lian. 4.
4 years old si Lian. So, 4 years old and he's already schooling in kinder. And we plan na ipa-school namin siya sa Ateneo. And i-assess man daw yan kung what age siya kung anong level ba daw siya na school. So we'll see kung anong sabi ng teacher. Pero i-compare ko siya sa cousin niya, ewan ko lang sa ibang kids. Magaling na masyado magsalita yung cousin niya. Mag-articulate ng words. Ito siya, ulit-ulit lang, where is, I'm okay, ganyan lang, simple lang mga words niya, pero matalino. Meron lang siguro talagang delay, no? Kasi sabi rin ni ma'am sa akin, dati daw, nung bata rin ako, matagal daw, akala nila daw, pipi daw ako, hindi daw ako nagasalita. Pero late lang siguro talaga ang development. Pero intelligence-wise, I think, matalino naman to si Lian. Is Lian smart? Ha? Where do you wanna go to school after? You wanna go to the big school? Like where Regan is? No? You want a big school or small school? Yes.